like cup coming out?
Noah's been a chiropractic patient for a while, but this is the first time he's at our office. So here goes.
Take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. Again. Out. Last one. Out. I got all of them.
Seems like it's been a while.
It's been forever. Yeah. There we go.
There. So Noah, how do you feel after your first adjustment?
I feel great. It's been a while since I got adjusted, and so I think that I feel really good right now. For sure, 6'4". So we like measured my height, and I was thinking I was like 6 foot, and like we were on like 6'1", but now I definitely feel like I'm on like 6'3".
Well,
6'4".
be careful. The opposing teams, it's gonna be a big block coming.
Yeah, big block, some good hits. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But